In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and how to use Dr. Spiller airless pump dispensers which work on a vacuum. We're going to use this product as an example. As you can see, these bottles come with a red seal at the top. First thing you have to do is remove this seal. This cream works on a vacuum principle. If you open this cream up, you will see that it does not come with a tube. Instead, every time you pump the airless pump bottle, there is a plastic bottom which you can't see, which actually gets pushed up and makes the cream come out. When you first receive the cream, there can be some air left in a bottle, and therefore it can take longer to get the cream to start to come out. Now I will show you how to use the airless pump bottle. First, twist the top to open it up and then just start pumping. It will take a while at first, but as you can see, slowly the cream starts to come out. And that's how you use the airless pump dispenser. You can find this and other Dr. Spiller products at www.abloomnova.net, and you can find further help with live support there as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.